it was a very one time ago, maybe about 8 years, maybe or 7 years. I think.
First job, I got paid for a nursing. Also, I didn't finish.
Is teaching. I worked as a teacher to English language. As we know,
It was 2 years ago, a volunteer at a school of people.
But I haven't worked yet.
Oh, that's a great.
Yes.
Fine.
It is a way that will make the machine think as a human rabbit. So we like
There is no jobs cannot AI replace. It can replace everything. Because I visit a lot of places, I
can replace jobs. It can run better design.
A lot of jobs will be replaced, according to my own point of view. But I see it as a
Number one, administrative roles. Artificial intelligence can automate administrative tasks.
Is transforming the work first and not always for better.
one, repetitive and routine jobs like data entry and processing requests.
AI will likely replace repetitive and routine jobs like data entry.
estimation and also development, website and development.
In these session clubs, every day by day, I feel better.